Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building a RAG Application. Creating your own smart AI assistant with external data. Imagine a super smart friend who can talk to you, answer questions, and even help you write things. That's an AI assistant. Think of popular ones like Siri, Alexa, or even ChatGPT. At their core, many of these rely on a powerful brain called a large language model, LLM. This brain has read countless books, articles, and websites to learn how language works and understand many topics. Even the smartest AI brain, LLM, has a limit to its knowledge. It only knows what it was taught up to a certain date. For example, if you ask it about a very recent event or specific details from your company's confidential documents, it might say, "I don't know," or worse, make up a confident-sounding but incorrect answer. We call this hallucination. It's like asking a brilliant student who only studied old textbooks about quantum physics, they'd struggle with the latest discoveries. This is where RAG, pronounced RAG, which stands for *retrieval A augmented generation, comes in. Think of RAG as giving your AI assistant a superpower. The ability to quickly look up information in a massive, personalized library before answering your question. Instead of relying only on its pre-trained brain, it can now read new, specific, or up-to-date documents you provide, making it much smarter and more accurate. How does the AI look up information so fast? This is the retrieval part. When you ask a question, RAG first searches your custom library, which could be your company's documents, your notes, etc., for the most relevant pieces of information. It uses clever techniques, like turning text into numerical fingerprints, called embeddings, and storing them in a special vector database to instantly find exactly what it needs. Imagine a super-fast librarian who can find the exact paragraph you need from millions of books in milliseconds. Once RAG has retrieved the most relevant facts from your custom library, it combines them with your original question. This combined information is then fed to the AI's brain, the LLM. Now, the LLM doesn't have to guess or rely solely on its old knowledge. It has fresh, specific facts right in front of it. This process is the augmented generation. The AI generates an answer, but it's augmented, enhanced, by the new, retrieved information. It's like that brilliant student now having the exact page from the library book to craft a perfect answer on the spot. As a developer, RAG is incredibly powerful. Accuracy. Your AI won't hallucinate as much because it has real facts. Up to date. Easily update your AI's knowledge by adding new documents, without expensive retraining. Customization. Build AI assistants specific to your business, your data, or your personal needs. Cost effective. No need to retrain a massive AI model every time new information comes out. You just update your library. With RAG, you can create incredibly useful applications. Customer support bots answer user questions instantly based on your company's product manuals and FAQs. Internal knowledge hubs help employees find information across all your internal documents. Personal research assistants summarize articles or answer questions from your own collection of PDFs and notes. The basic steps involve 1. Loading your data. 2. Preparing it for search, embeddings. 3. Storing it. And 4. Building the retrieve and generate logic. To build a RAG application, you'll typically work with a few key components. Large language models, LLMs. Services like OpenAI's GPT models or open source models, e.g., From Hugging Face. Provide the AI brain. Embedding models. These turn your text into numerical fingerprints. Vector databases. Specialized databases, like Pinecone, Weaviate, ChromaDB, efficiently store and search these numerical fingerprints. Frameworks. Libraries like LangChain or LlamaIndex help you connect all these pieces together with less code. Get ready to experiment and bring your AI ideas to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.